Welcome back, students. Today's session would be classification of subphylum Vertebrata. Vertebrates, as you all know, include animals with a characteristic vertebral column. Subphylum Vertebrata is divided into two subdivisions, that is Anatha and Gnathostomata. Anatha are jawless vertebrates or vertebrates without jaws. Gnathostomata are vertebrates with jaws or jaw-bearing vertebrates. Gnathostomata include superclasses, Pisces and Tetrapoda. Or in other words, we can say Gnathostomata is divided into two superclasses, namely superclass Pisces and superclass Tetrapoda. Superclass Pisces include fishes and superclass Tetrapoda include four-legged animals. Tetra, four, and poda, legs. Superclass Tetrapoda is again divided into four classes. These four classes are class Amphibia, class Reptilia, class Aves, and class Mammals. Once again, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia. Class Amphibia are in fact the first group of vertebrates to invade or inhabit land. The previous one, Pisces, they are completely aquatic, whereas amphibians are the first group of vertebrates to come to land. The term amphibia includes the first part amphi, that is dual, and bio is bios or life, that is they are having dual role of life, wherein amphibians are capable of living in water as well as on land. Hence we can say amphibians are amphibious in nature. Though they have inhabited land, they have to move to water as well for the purpose of breeding. These are some pictures of animals belonging to subphylum Vertebrata. As I told you now, it includes Anatha and Gnathostomata. The first picture is that of Anatha, or it is a jawless vertebrate. The second one is they are fishes, comes under superclass Pisces. Then you can see amphibians. Usually they include frogs, toads, etc. The picture you can see. The next is Reptilia. Reptilia include reptiles. Commonly included forms include lizards and snakes. Here you can see the picture of a reptile, that is chameleon. The next one include, these are birds which comes under the class Aves, and the last picture is a mammal which belongs to the class Mammalia. Now moving on to the division of class Amphibia. Class Amphibia include three living classes, or three living orders or three extant orders. These orders are, one is Anura, the second one is Chordata or Urodela, and the third one is Gymnophiona or Apoda. Once again, the three orders of class Amphibia are Anura, they are tailless amphibians. The second one is Chordata, or they are also called Urodela, they are tailed amphibians. And the third one is Gymnophiona, which are limbless amphibians. They include caecilians. Anura generally includes frogs and toads. Chordata includes salamanders and newts, and Gymnophiona includes the caecilians, as I mentioned before, which include amphibians without legs, and they are more or less worm-like or burrowing forms. These are some pictures of the amphibians belonging to different orders. The first picture, as is clearly visible, belongs to Anura. The second one, just below the Anura, belongs to Urodela, and the next one next to Urodela, which is a tailed amphibian, on to the right of that you can see Apoda or Gymnophiona, which include worm-like caecilians. And on top right is shown a fossilized form where class Amphibia also included 3 extinct orders. So that is all for this session, and in the next session we can see the details of order Anura. Thank you.